So you signed up for HeyGen and you're like, now what? What am I supposed to do? Well, friends, today, together, we're going to make an easy stock avatar video using HeyGen. Start to finish with me right here to guide you step by step. I'm so excited for you. My name is Mary Lou Mandel, and this is episode 2 of our series, starting with HeyGen. If you watched episode 1, you've already seen how the dashboard is laid out. And if not, that's a great starting point. The link is in the description. Today, we are skipping the tour and actually making something. Here's the plan. We are going to browse the avatars, pick one, walk through our options, and create a video. Then we will refine it in AI Studio. Sound good to you? Great, let's do it. Here's what we're making today. A stock avatar delivering a script about the top 3 ways people are using HeyGen right now. If you want to follow along with me exactly, the script that I'll be using for my avatar example will be in the description. First stop, avatar in the left navigation. Before we start creating anything, I want to show you where the avatars live, because understanding this library is going to make every future video easier. Under avatar, you've got 2 sections to look at, avatars and voices. Avatars first. My avatars is where your own custom avatars live once you've made them. Public avatars is the stock library, and inside public avatars, these filter tabs are your friend. Professional, polished, business setting presenters. Corporate training, product explainers, anything clean and credible. Lifestyle, more casual. Real world settings, relaxed energy. UGC, user generated content. This is where it gets interesting for creators. These avatars are shot in natural environments, often handheld style. Less produced, more authentic. They feel like something a real person made, not a corporate video. When I'm picking an avatar, I'm looking at a few different things. The setting, does it match the tone of what I'm making? The energy, does this person look like someone my audience would trust? And the looks, do I like the outfits and the backgrounds that they have to work with? I'm gonna go with this one, Angelique. I like her. You can preview exactly what she looks like before you commit. When you're ready, you can click Use in Video. We're gonna come back to this because I wanna show you something else first. Let's take a quick look at voices. This is HeyGen's voice library. Hundreds of options, filterable by language, gender, style. If you wanted to pick a completely separate voice for any avatar, this is where you'd find it. We're not going to pick one here today because the avatar that we chose comes with her own voice already loaded. But it's good to know it exists for when you want to mix and match. Now let's head back over to our avatar. We're going to hover to create a video with this avatar, and I'm going to choose add a script. Script in, video out. We've got 2 tabs up top, script to video and photo to video. We want script to video. We've got a few ways to get our script in here. You can type it directly, you can hit record to speak it in, or you can use the upload icon to bring in a file. Whatever fits how you work. And while we're here, quick tip on scripts. The top 3 format is one that I personally go back to all the time. The top 3 ways to do X, top 3 mistakes when doing Y, top 3 things I wish I knew before Z. It's simple, it works, and you can apply it to literally anything. You don't need a fancy script to make a great video. Give yourself a little structure and then fill it in. On the right, you have your avatar preview. Here, you can change your avatar, you can change your settings for vertical or horizontal video, and you can change the look of your avatar. Let's take a look at the bottom bar. On the left side, your voice. The avatar's built-in voice is already loaded. Hit play to preview it before you generate. Next is where you can choose your HeyGen generation model. You can toggle it here. Resolution, 720p or 1080p. We're gonna go 1080p. The sliders icon has additional settings if you need them. And then 2 ways to move forward. Open in AI Studio takes you into the full editor. The blue arrow is going to generate the video exactly as is. We're gonna generate first and then head into AI Studio after. Now we paste our script in. And remember, if you wanna use my exact script, it's in the description. Everything's set and generating. And when it's ready, it will land in your projects. And here she is. Your script, your chosen avatar, her voice, her settings. That's a real video, and you made it.
These are the top 3 ways to use HeyGen right now. Number 1, training and onboarding. Instead of recording the same video over and over, you make it once. Your avatar delivers it every time. Number 2, product explainers. No camera, no studio, just a script and a presenter. Done. Number 3, video translation. 1 video, 175 languages, lip-synced. Your content goes global without you re-recording a single word. That's HeyGen. Give it a try today.
From here, you can share it or download it. But I want to show you the editing side, because this is where a video can go from good to actually yours. We're going to click New Revision in AI Studio. AI Studio is where you go when Quick Create gets you 90% of the way there and you want to make adjustments to the rest. Script left, video center, and over here on the right is everything. Ask AI. Describe what you want, and it's going to work to make it happen. You want a different background? Ask it. Want the voice to sound warmer? Ask it. Avatar. Controls the avatar and the voice for each scene. We'll be coming back here in a minute. Media. Stock images and video, or you can upload your own. Elements. Text overlays, name cards, headlines, intros, outros. For words on screen, this is your spot. Music. Royalty-free background tracks that are built right in. Captions. Auto-generated subtitles in multiple styles. One click and your video is accessible and watchable on mute. Make sure you don't skip that one. Interactivity. Clickable links, branching paths, quizzes inside the video. This is a really big deal for training content. Screen recorder. Record your screen and HeyGen cleans it up. Strips filler words, can add an AI presenter. You definitely should check this out. Templates. Your saved video formats. There's nothing wrong with reusing what works. Layers. Every element in your scene stacked. Useful when things overlap and you need to sort them out. Let's head back over to the script panel. See this delivery style option just below the script? This is how you can control how the voice sounds. We've got 3 options. Direct voice. Describe the emotion. Type something like warm and enthusiastic, and then HeyGen is going to apply it. Auto enhance. HeyGen automatically adds emotional tags throughout your script to control pacing and energy. This is a good option if you just don't want to think about it. Mirror voice. This is a personal favorite. You record yourself reading the script, and HeyGen transfers your delivery onto the avatar's voice. Your pacing, your emphasis, her voice. If you click on mirror voice, your script is right there to read along. Record directly in here. Your mic shows at the bottom, so make sure you have the right one selected. Or you can upload an existing recording. I'm going to record now. HeyGen maps my pacing and emphasis onto her voice. Same words using the AI voice, but now with my delivery. The avatar panel. Let's head back over to the avatar panel. This is where you'd make voice changes if you need to. Your avatar is selected, her voice is active. If you wanted to switch to a completely different voice, either from HeyGen's library or your own cloned voice, the switch button is right in here. Voice settings. Speed, volume, accent. If the delivery feels slightly too fast after generating, this is your fix. No re-recording needed. Once you're happy with everything, hit generate. There it is, done, in your projects folder.
These are the top 3 ways to use HeyGen right now. Number 1, training and onboarding. Instead of recording the same video over and over, you make it once. Your avatar delivers it every time. Number 2, product explainers. No camera, no studio, just a script and a presenter. Done. Number 3, video translation. One video, 175 languages, lip-synced. Your content goes global without you having to re-record a single word. That's HeyGen. Give it a try today.
If I wanted to take this video even further, I would add screen recordings and captions inside of AI Studio, but we will save that for another video. When you're happy with your video, you can download it right here, and it will export to your computer. Congratulations, you just made a HeyGen video. We went on a whole journey. Script, avatar, voice, refine, generate, download. You did it. Let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And as it is with most things, the more you practice, the better your results will be. And I want you to notice, you didn't film anything, no camera setup, no lighting, no recording yourself 6 times. You wrote some words, you picked a presenter, and you let HeyGen do the rest. And that's just one of the things that makes this tool so powerful. In our next episode, we're going to make a HeyGen avatar that actually looks like you. So make sure you subscribe and you turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of the great content that we are putting out right here on the HeyGen channel. We are just getting started and there's a lot more coming. I'll see you in the next one.